Understanding YouTube's algorithm is super important today. Think about it. Billions of videos are on YouTube. How does your video get seen? The algorithm is the system that decides. It acts like a gatekeeper. It shows certain videos to certain people. If you don't understand how it works, you're just guessing. You are hoping people find your amazing content. Knowing the algorithm helps you stop guessing. It puts you in control of your YouTube growth. It's the first step to getting more views and subscribers consistently. Many creators feel frustrated. They make great videos, but they get very few views. This can be really discouraging. They might think YouTube is unfair or that the algorithm is a mystery, but it is not magic. It is a smart computer program. It has rules. It looks for specific signals. When you learn these rules and signals, you can work with the algorithm. You can help it understand your videos better. This means it can show your videos to the right audience. That is how you start getting the views you deserve for your hard work. The benefits of understanding the YouTube algorithm are huge. It can lead to more views on every video you post. More views often mean more watch time. More watch time tells YouTube your videos are good. This can lead to more subscribers joining your community. A growing community means more engagement. This creates a positive cycle of growth. Understanding the algorithm is not just about short-term wins, it is about building a sustainable, long-term, successful YouTube channel. It's about making a real impact with your content. This essay will be your friendly guide. We will break down the YouTube algorithm. We will explain it in simple words. No confusing tech talk here. Our main goal is to help you understand it. We want you to work the algorithm, not against it. By the end, you will have clear, practical steps. You can use these steps to improve your videos. You will know how to get them seen by more people. So, let's dive in and unlock the secrets to YouTube success together. Your journey to more views starts now. So, what exactly is this YouTube algorithm we keep talking about? In simple terms, it is a complex computer program. This program has a very specific job. Its main goal is to match each viewer with videos they are most likely to watch and enjoy. Think of it as a super smart video matchmaker. It wants to keep people on the YouTube platform for as long as possible. When viewers stay longer, they see more ads. This is how YouTube makes money. So the algorithm is designed to create the best possible viewer experience by suggesting relevant videos. It is important to know that there isn't just one single algorithm. Instead, YouTube uses a collection of algorithms and machine learning systems. These systems work together. They analyze different parts of your video and your channel. They also look at viewer behavior. The algorithm personalizes video recommendations for every single user. What you see on your YouTube homepage is different from what your friend sees. This is because the algorithm learns from your watch history. It learns what you like, what you skip, and how long you watch. YouTube's biggest mission is to maximize long-term viewer satisfaction. This is key. They want viewers to come back to YouTube day after day. They achieve this by showing videos that people find valuable, entertaining, or informative. If a video keeps someone watching for a long time, that's a strong signal. It tells YouTube that the viewer is satisfied. The algorithm then tries to find more videos like that or more videos from that creator to recommend. Your success is tied to YouTube's success in keeping viewers happy. Therefore, your main goal as a video creator should align with YouTube's goal. You need to create videos that truly satisfy your target audience. You need to make content that keeps them watching. Think about what makes a viewer click. Think about what makes them stay until the end. When you focus on viewer satisfaction, you are helping the algorithm do its job. This makes it much more likely that the algorithm will promote your videos. It's about creating a win-win situation for you, your viewers, and YouTube. YouTube doesn't just randomly pick videos to make popular. It's not about luck. The platform uses a vast amount of data to decide which videos to recommend. Every minute, new videos are uploaded. The algorithm processes information from these videos. It also looks at how users interact with existing videos. It analyzes billions of data points every single day. This data helps it understand what people want to watch. It helps it rank videos in search results, suggested videos, and on the home page. It's a data-driven decision process. There are two main categories of signals the algorithm considers. The first is video performance. This is all about how your video actually does once it's live. Does it get clicks? Do people watch it for a long time? Do they engage with it? The second category is personalization. This involves the viewer's own watch history and preferences. The algorithm tries to find videos that are relevant to what a specific user has watched and enjoyed in the past. So, a video might perform well generally, but it will be shown more to users who have shown interest in similar topics. Let's talk about the key performance signals. These are crucial. Watch time is a big one. We will discuss it more later. Click-through rate, CTR, is another. This measures how often people click on your video when they see it. Engagement signals include likes, comments, shares, and even dislikes. How new your video is can also play a role, sometimes called upload velocity. The algorithm also looks at how often your channel uploads. It's a mix of many factors that paint a picture of your video's quality and relevance to an audience. These signals do not work in isolation. They interact with each other. For example, a high CTR is great, but if viewers click and then leave quickly, that tells YouTube the video didn't deliver on its promise. That's low audience retention. This hurts your video's chances. A good video usually performs well across several of these metrics. The algorithm takes a holistic view. It's looking for videos that attract clicks, keep viewers engaged, and satisfy them. Understanding these signals is the first step to optimizing your content for better reach. Watch time is arguably the most important metric on YouTube. So, what is it? Watch time is the total accumulated amount of time people spend watching your videos. YouTube values this metric very highly. Why? Because more watch time means viewers are spending more time on the YouTube platform. This directly supports YouTube's main goal we talked about earlier. If your videos consistently generate high watch time, the algorithm sees your channel as valuable. It sees you as a creator who can keep audiences engaged and on the platform. It is very important to understand the difference between views and watch time. A video might get a lot of views, but if most viewers only watch for a few seconds, those views are not very valuable. A view is counted after about 30 seconds, but that doesn't mean it's a quality view. The algorithm prefers a video with fewer views but higher average watch time per viewer. This indicates true viewer satisfaction. Longer watch time signals that your content is compelling and delivering on what the title and thumbnail promised. Always aim for quality watch time, not just view counts. Audience retention is a key part of watch time. This metric shows you the percentage of your video that viewers on average actually watch. You can find detailed audience retention graphs in your YouTube Studio Analytics. These graphs are gold mines of information. They show you exactly where viewers tend to drop off. Pay close attention to these drop-off points. Do viewers leave during your intro? Is there a boring segment in the middle? Analyzing these patterns helps you understand what keeps your audience hooked and what makes them leave. How can you improve your watch time and audience retention? Start with a strong hook in the first 5 to 15 seconds. Grab the viewer's attention immediately. Deliver on the promise of your title and thumbnail quickly. Maintain good pacing throughout your video. Use storytelling techniques to keep viewers invested. Incorporate pattern interrupts like changing camera angles or adding graphics to maintain interest. Also, try to avoid overly long intros or outros. Get to the value and end crisply. These small changes can make a big difference in your overall watch time. Section 5. Engagement: building a loyal community. Engagement on YouTube refers to any interaction viewers have with your video. This includes actions like giving your video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It also includes leaving comments, sharing your video with others, and subscribing to your channel after watching. Even clicking the notification bell is a form of engagement. These signals are very important to the YouTube algorithm. They indicate that viewers are not just passively consuming your content, they are actively involved with it. This tells YouTube that your video is sparking a reaction and building a connection. Why does engagement matter so much? High engagement tells YouTube that people genuinely care about your content. It signals that your video is interesting, helpful, or entertaining enough to make someone take an action. This makes your video more likely to be recommended to others. Beyond the algorithm, engagement is vital for building a community around your channel. When viewers comment and you respond, you create a dialogue. This fosters a sense of belonging. A strong community is more likely to support your future videos, share your content, and become loyal fans of your brand. There are many practical ways to encourage engagement on your videos. Don't be afraid to ask viewers to like the video if they found it valuable. Pose questions in your video or in the comments section to spark discussions. You can run polls using the community tab or cards. Make it a habit to read and respond to comments. Hearting comments or pinning a particularly insightful comment can make viewers feel appreciated. This interaction shows both your audience and the algorithm that you are an active and engaged creator. This builds relationships. Shares are an especially powerful form of engagement. When someone shares your video, they are vouching for it to their own network. This can bring in new viewers who might not have discovered your channel otherwise. Think about creating content that people will naturally want to share. This could be something very funny, incredibly useful, or emotionally resonant. And what about dislikes? Don't fear them. Dislikes are also a form of engagement and provide data. They can tell you if your title was misleading or if a certain topic didn't resonate with your audience. Learn from all feedback. Section 6. Click-through rate, CTR. The first impression. Click-through rate, or CTR, is a critical metric for your YouTube success. It measures the percentage of people who actually click to watch your video after seeing its impression. An impression occurs whenever your video's thumbnail and title are shown to a viewer on YouTube. This could be on their homepage, in search results, or in the suggested video sidebar. For example, if your video gets 100 impressions and 10 people click on it, your CTR is 10%. This metric is all about how effective your video is at grabbing attention. The importance of CTR cannot be overstated. It is the very first hurdle your video must overcome. If nobody clicks on your video, then all the effort you put into creating amazing content, optimizing for watch time, and encouraging engagement goes to waste. A low CTR tells YouTube that your video's packaging, its title and thumbnail, isn't compelling enough to make people want to see more. A high CTR, on the other hand, signals that your video successfully sparked curiosity or promised value, leading to a click. It's the gateway to all other positive signals. So what makes a high CTR? It primarily comes down to two things: your thumbnail and your title. Your thumbnail is the small preview image for your video. It needs to be eye-catching, clear, and emotionally engaging. Use bright colors, expressive faces if appropriate, and minimal text that's easy to read even on small screens. Your title needs to be compelling and clear. It should create curiosity, highlight a benefit for the viewer, or include relevant keywords that people are searching for. The thumbnail and title must work together to tell a cohesive story and make a strong promise. Improving your CTR is an ongoing process of testing and iteration. Don't just set your thumbnail and title and forget them. Pay close attention to your CTR in YouTube Studio Analytics. YouTube even shows you impression CTR. If a video has a low CTR, consider A/B testing different thumbnails. Change the title to be more intriguing or keyword focused. Look at what successful videos in your niche are doing with their thumbnails and titles. Learn from them, but always aim to be unique and true to your brand. Consistently working on your CTR can significantly boost your views. Section 7. Actionable strategies to skyrocket your views. One of the most effective ways to get more views is through smart keyword research. You need to understand what terms and phrases your target audience is actually searching for on YouTube. Tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or even Google Trends can be incredibly helpful for this. Once you identify relevant keywords with good search volume, strategically incorporate them into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about. It makes it easier for the algorithm to match your content with the right search queries and viewer interests. Create content that encourages binge watching. YouTube loves it when viewers watch multiple videos from the same channel in one session. You can facilitate this by creating series of videos on a related topic, then organize these videos into playlists. Make sure your playlists are well titled and logically structured. Promote your playlists in your end screens and cards. When a viewer finishes one video, a well-placed playlist can seamlessly lead them to another piece of your content. This significantly increases session watch time, which is a huge positive signal to the algorithm. Make full use of YouTube's interactive features like end screens and cards. End screens appear in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video. You can use them to promote other videos, suggest a relevant playlist, encourage viewers to subscribe, or link to an approved website. Cards are small, clickable notifications that can pop up at designated times during your video. You can use cards to link to other content, polls, or channels. These tools are designed to keep viewers engaged with your content and within your channel's ecosystem for longer. Don't let viewers leave without giving them clear next steps. Do not rely solely on YouTube to promote your videos. You should actively promote your content off the platform as well. Share your new videos on all your social media profiles like Instagram, X, formerly Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. If you have a blog or website, embed your YouTube videos into relevant articles. Consider sending out an email to your subscriber list whenever you publish a new video. The more external traffic you can drive to your videos, especially in the initial hours after publishing, the better. This can give your video an initial boost in the algorithm. Section 8, Learning from the YouTube Giants and Hidden Gems. We can learn a lot by studying successful YouTube channels, both big and small. Take Mr. Beast, for example. He is a master of viewer retention. His videos often have incredibly high concept ideas that immediately grab attention. His thumbnails are bright, clear, and often feature expressive faces or highlight the core challenge of the video. His titles create immense curiosity. He understands that satisfying the viewer is paramount. He also reinvests heavily into his content and constantly experiments with new formats and ideas, always pushing the boundaries to keep his audience captivated for longer. Look at a channel like Mark Brownlee, MKBHD, in the tech review space. His success is built on consistently delivering high-quality, in-depth, and unbiased tech reviews. His production value is top-notch, which contributes to a professional and trustworthy image. He has built a strong brand around his expertise and personality. Viewers trust his opinions. This trust has been cultivated over many years of consistent, valuable content. His thumbnails are clean, showcase the product clearly, and his titles are informative. He demonstrates the power of expertise and consistency in building a loyal audience. It's not just the megastars who offer lessons. Many niche channels achieve remarkable success by catering to a specific, passionate audience. Imagine a channel dedicated to a very specific hobby, like restoring antique clocks or advanced underwater basket weaving. These channels provide deep value to a highly targeted group. They often build incredibly strong, tight-knit communities. Their creators are usually passionate experts who engage deeply with their audience. Their consistency in uploading niche content helps the algorithm understand exactly who their videos are for, leading to highly relevant recommendations. The key takeaway from studying these diverse examples is that success leaves clues. Analyze what these channels do well. Notice their thumbnail strategies, their titling conventions, how they structure their videos for attention, and how they engage with their community. However, the goal is not to simply copy them. You need to adapt these successful principles to your own unique style, personality, and niche. Authenticity is crucial on YouTube. Learn from the best, but always strive to create content that is genuinely you. This is how you will build a sustainable and engaged audience over time. Section 9. The marathon, not a sprint, consistency and growth. One of the most important factors for long-term YouTube success is consistency. The YouTube algorithm tends to favor channels that upload content on a regular, predictable schedule. This doesn't mean you have to upload daily. Find a schedule that is sustainable for you, whether it's once a week, twice a month, or whatever you can realistically maintain without sacrificing quality. When you upload consistently, you train your audience to expect new content from you. You also provide the algorithm with fresh material to analyze and recommend, keeping your channel active in its system. It is very common for new channels, and even established ones sometimes, to experience slow initial growth. Do not get discouraged if your first few videos, or even your first dozen videos, don't get a lot of views. Building an audience on YouTube takes time and persistent effort. Many successful YouTubers today started with very few views and subscribers. The key is to focus on continuous improvement. Aim to make each video just 1% better than the last one. Small improvements in your editing, your storytelling, your thumbnails, or your delivery will compound over time. Make it a habit to regularly dive into your YouTube Studio analytics. This data is your best friend for understanding what's working and what's not. Look at your audience retention graphs. Which videos keep viewers engaged the longest? Why? Study your click-through rates. Which thumbnails and titles are getting the most clicks? Analyze your traffic sources. Where are your viewers coming from? Use these insights to adapt your content strategy. Be willing to experiment and pivot based on what the data tells you. Patience combined with data-driven adjustments is a powerful combination for growth. Finally, remember that passion and persistence are the fuel for your YouTube journey. Create content that you are genuinely passionate about. Your enthusiasm will shine through and attract like-minded viewers. There will be challenges and moments of doubt, but if you keep creating, keep learning, and keep engaging with your audience, you will eventually find your path to success. The YouTube algorithm is a system you can learn to work with. Believe in your content, stay consistent, and your audience will grow. Keep pushing forward and enjoy the creative process.